All right, I get to be head Jew. Pick me up on the chair.
Okay. Shalom and welcome, folks, to the second night of the Flip NAnukkah special brought to you by Odin MFG. Guys, thanks for helping me support this. And yeah, we got to do it from left from right because that's how Jews do it. I don't know why. It just is. I think this has something to do with my dyslexia. But today we're giving away
Some fucking socks.
again. Second pair of socks. That's how this works because you get socks for Hanukkah.
Good thing about these socks is that the thickness rating is 3.
3.
Yes. All right, let's give them away.
Okay, so to win these pair of socks, all you got to do is go down in the comments and hashtag NAnukkah Day 2. And if you win, I'll let you know tomorrow. On that note,
Catch you on the flip side.
that was creepy, bro.
Yeah, that's why I did it.
Thank you.